It's our last day in Vegas. Hey y'all. It's Sunday and we're at the airport. This is half our crew, but you know. Why are you showing off your fit and we at the like out here though? This is our plane probably. Yeah, this is our plane. Yeah. I cannot believe y'all are standing up.
You don't move too close because then they can't see your shoes. So you gotta back up. You know, and they squat you.
The last day my flight wasn't super late.
Oh, I'm so sick.
We are boarding. So guys, we just made it on the plane.
Hi guys.
I'm sitting with my cousin and my aunt Asia and my sister, Lakaya, and my mom.
I can't.
Where's Grammy? My grandma's up there, and my dad's gonna be sitting there, but he didn't make it on the plane yet. So we're just chilling. I got me a little snackety snack. I got some vegetables. On my way here, I literally was like, I want some cucumbers, and I was like, where I'm gonna get cucumbers from? Yeah, just get into it. Piercing, got our nose pierced yesterday. I'm about to edit a YouTube video while we're on this plane because duh. And we don't have a window seat. We in the middle of the plane, like we're in the middle, so I'm not gonna be able to get no plane video. We made it to our villa. So y'all, we about to go get something to eat. I don't know where we going, but they rushing us.
Enjoy life. Be happy. Ain't no reason to be mad.
First meal in Vegas. We got a burger, nachos. Tyra got a salad. Me. Update, we just finished eating and now we're headed to the clubhouse. So this is what our hotel looks like. This is the pool.
Where you at?
What's the brush? Wait on it. Yeah, come on.
Y'all, this is my Uncle Lil and my Aunt Julie. We're walking to go see my other aunt. Come get in the vlog, girl. You know you ain't camera shy. These are my cousins, Janiyah and Jamira, and of course Tyra. Y'all seen her already.
He went back, but then cut in the front. That's what you messed up.
You came in the middle. You didn't even meet me halfway. Right, left, drop. Right, forward.
Hey y'all, it's day 2. We about to go walk the strip. I don't really got a fit on right now because we just going to sightsee, and then later on I'm gonna put on a fit because we're coming back later. So, you know, we about to go eat breakfast, all that good stuff, and I'll keep y'all updated. So we just finished eating. We was at Buffalo Wild Wings. I don't know if y'all can see. It's really bright. Go back. Out here. Hey guys, it's day 3 or 2 in Vegas. It's Tuesday, and today we're going to visit the Grand Canyon. We got about a 2.5 hour drive. Huh? Yes. Oh. We rented a little van. So update y'all, we made it to the Grand Canyon West. I'm gonna show you all the clips, of course. But this is where we're at right now. We gotta go pay for some tickets and we're gonna get on the bus, and the bus is gonna take us to the canyon. And this is our little crew right here. It's a lot of us. Are you excited? Day 4.
Oh, okay. What number day is?
We're currently at the Hoover Dam. We're about to walk up all these stairs.
Sweet black over here.
We at this restaurant. I forgot what it's called. What's this place called? Oh, our food. This coming up. Hey to the vlog, everybody.
We schedule vegetables and mash quickly, I believe, yes?
We don't want to see y'all man today.
Hey, hey. It's our last day in Vegas. It's it's Thanksgiving.
Happy Turkey Day. Happy Turkey Day.
Happy Thanksgiving. We are going to go pick up the usual crew, and then we're headed to go get our Thanksgiving meal. So we'll see y'all when we there.
Hang in there.
Alright guys. Thanksgiving dinner at TGI Fridays is over. We headed back to the room to play. Bye, Felicia.
The federal government has declared face coverings are mandatory in the airport. Please keep your mouth and nose covered.
We're at the airport.
At this time, we would like to welcome those passengers that requested additional time to get comfortable into their seats. Under the age of 2.
Actively taking a bite of your food or a sip of your drink. Unlike in a restaurant.
Hey y'all, so it's November 29th and we've been back for like, what day did I come home? Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's been 3 days since I've been home and can you stop? The trip was so relaxing, like from coming from school and doing work all the time. Like I finished school 3 days before the trip. Also been working on my business and I tend to like overdo stuff, over plan stuff, like, oh, I gotta do this, I gotta do this, I gotta do this. And to be on that trip, like I didn't do none of that and it was just so peaceful to have a break. But I'm excited to be back home, like to start working back on my business. The break was so enjoyable. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, Thanksgiving in Vegas. If y'all want to see more vlog content like this, let me know because I definitely enjoyed recording this video. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.